At any abutment, the membrane should be mechanically secured to the deck using Reinforced Universal Securement Strip, or RUSS. This is a reinforced strip of EPDM that is mechanically secured to the substrate and seamed to the underside of the membrane. It prevents the membrane being pulled away from the angle change over time. RUSS should be secured at 300mm centres. The strip is pre-marked for ease at 150mm centres. 50mm seam plates are used to clamp the RUSS strip to either the deck or the vertical surface of the abutment. ClassicBond primer is applied to the target area on the back of the membrane corresponding with the cellophane tape on the RUSS. Scrub primer into the surface, ensuring it is applied to the entire target area. Remove any pools of primer to create a thin, even coat. Ensure it is applied to the entire target area. The target area of the membrane needs to be primed to achieve a full bond to the RUSS strip. Ensure hands are clean and dry before moving on to the next stage. Touch test the primer to ensure it is thoroughly dry and flashed off. It shouldn't leave a fingerprint or transfer to your hand. When the EPDM primer is ready, remove the cellophane from the RUSS. Smooth the membrane into position onto the RUSS and roll to ensure a bond. Once this has been installed, the membrane can be secured to the vertical surface of the abutment using bonding adhesive. Bonding adhesive must be applied to both the substrate and the underside of the membrane. Bonding adhesive must be allowed to tack off before the surfaces are put together. This allows solvents to escape and ensures it does not cause the membrane to blister. If blistering does occur as a result of this, it is likely to be temporary. Once ready, the adhesive will not transfer to your hands, and the membrane can be worked across the deck and creased into the angle change. Drive the air out with your hands or a roller. Once the air has been removed and the membrane tucked tightly into the corner, roll up the vertical surface from the back of the membrane. Any residual air left behind the membrane can then be broomed out. When the membrane is in place, trim any excess membrane in line with your wall chase. For projects in excess of 100 square meters, RUSS should be applied to every roof perimeter and bonding adhesive used as the deck adhesive. Please consult your distributor for more information on larger scale installations.